Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing and organizing so editing doesn't stall. First, create a project with the correct frame rate and resolution. Mismatches cause jitter later. Once done, bring clips into bins labeled by scene or take. That lets you drag quickly. You should also scrub each clip briefly to mark usable sections. Make sure to enable audio waveforms for sync and set a working sequence that matches your final export. This prevents conforming tasks down the line. Now you assemble a rough cut. Lay clips in sequence and block out timing so the story flows. Use ripple edits to close gaps quickly. They keep downstream clips in sync. Apply J and L cuts to let audio lead or follow visual changes. This smooths awkward edits. Once the backbone is set, add B-roll and cutaways to hide jump cuts and improve context. As you work, watch for color shifts and audio pops. Fix major issues early to avoid redoing trims later. Finish by tightening trims, smoothing audio levels, and doing final color corrections so clips read as one sequence. You should render short sections to check playback performance and adjust export codecs and bitrates to match delivery requirements. Once satisfied, export using your sequence settings. Verify final file on multiple devices. If something goes wrong, like audio drift or missing frames, relocate original media, relink clips, and check timecode. If necessary, conform by transcoding to a stable intermediate codec before re-editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.